I would recommend use the HTTP request mode with private integration. If you go to your GoHighLevel and settings and private integration, you'll see create new integrations. Just click on name the token. This is test, n8n test, and description is optional. You can view business, edit business, view contact, edit contact. Right now, this is a demo purpose. You have this edit user as well. This is a very sensitive scope. So before you add it, make sure you're giving it to the right person. We can add view social media posts, edit social media posts. So this is your private integration token. Just copy it. Go to your n8n. So these are the scopes I have added, right? 4 scopes. So for this to work, you need to go to high-level documentation. Just go to developer.gohighlevel.com. Go to documentation. You can see this documentation. I'm going to search for contacts. Get contacts. You can use this curl command. Just copy this curl command. Change it to the proper location ID. I'm going to give this private integration token that I have copied. Now you can see my bearer token is exposed, right? So you can change that. Right now I have given headers. What I can do to not show my bearer token is to just delete it and turn to authentication, generic credential, and click on header authorization and create new credential and name it authorization and paste your value, which is bearer, and your API token. Just save it and I'm going to test it. As you can see, I got the total contacts